5, we have the Merrell Moab 3. This is our 5th ranked pick, but is still a great choice for those on a budget. It excels as a versatile hiking shoe, offering a combination of comfort, durability, and reliable performance on various terrains. One of its standout features is the Vibram TC 5 Plus outsole, which provides exceptional grip on everything from wet rocks to loose dirt, making it a dependable choice for rugged trails. The lug depth of 4.8 millimeters enhances traction while effectively shedding debris, ensuring stability even in muddy or uneven conditions. The upper construction blends pig suede leather and breathable mesh, offering a balance between durability and ventilation. For waterproof versions, the shoe incorporates either Gore-Tex or Merrell's proprietary membrane, both of which perform well in keeping feet dry during creek crossings and light rain. However, the waterproof models trade some breathability for this protection, which could lead to warmer feet in hot weather. Comfort is another strong point of the Moab 3. The midsole features a super rebound compound that absorbs shock and reduces torque on uneven terrain, while the Merrell air cushion in the heel adds stability. The shoe's supportive insole and molded nylon arch shank contribute to all-day comfort, making it suitable for both day hikes and extended treks. Additionally, the wide toe box ensures ample room for natural foot movement and protection against trail hazards. Durability is reinforced by abrasion-resistant rubber caps on the heel and toe, as well as high-quality materials that withstand wear over time. The gusseted tongue keeps debris out effectively, adding to its trail readiness.